Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide notification on lock screen on iPhone. So if you want to hide all the notifications like this on your iPhone lock screen, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to hide notifications on lock screen on iPhone, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, click on notifications. On the notification page, scroll down and select the notification you want to turn off or hide on the lock screen. Then click on that. Once you click on that, you should see allow notifications. Under allow notifications, come here and uncheck lock screen. Then once you uncheck lock screen, hit the back button. So repeat this on all the applications whose notification you want to hide on the lock screen. So just scroll down and check out all the applications whose notifications to hide on lock screen. After that, hit the back button. Now, when next your iPhone screen is locked like this, you discover that you have those notifications again. You see that? So that is basically how to hide notifications on iPhone lock screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.